head out now. Blue Lotus Garden. That's a nice little garden. And then, as you can see, right at the front is the beach. So this is it, guys. It's gorgeous. I love Boracay. This is like a really, really nice breeze. But as you can see here, it's so, so beautiful, guys. So that one's tiger foot massage. That looks cool. Spa here.
Oh, the bush was blocking on my side.
It's a really nice one there. This one is Seabed Boracay Resort. So this is the beach. Wow, check this out, guys. Check this out, girls. This is it. This is the beach here, guys. How gorgeous is that? So, guys, it is very, very busy. I am just walking along the beach, and guys, this is just amazing. I absolutely love this sunset. We wanted to grab the sunset, and look at it, guys. It is just like heaven. Lovely shot right here, guys. So stunning. Yeah, so the sun's setting has gone down now, so I've managed to get some really nice shots. My brother there taking a picture with my auntie. Going on, it's like a party boat, the sun's setting. It's about setting. Wow, we're in the water. He's loving the sea, guys. Wow, you're having a nice time on the beach. Happy boy. chilling under these trees here. Where just this is more like the bit of a shade area. Absolutely gorgeous here, guys. So we're about to have some food. As it is super busy because it is spring break. So yeah, there's a lot going on here. Absolutely gorgeous, that sunset, guys. So beautiful here at Boracay. Oh, they actually have Starbucks out here. So, is it Anne? Chicken is on top. So, just having a look for some food. There's definitely a lot going on here, guys. That's a pretty dress though. It's so nice. Ooh, look at that food, guys. Oh, it's nice here. Oh, look at that. Grabbing food from Island Bowls, Boracay. Comes in a nice little shape of a van, and here's the food, guys. Absolutely amazing food that they have here. They've got everything here that you can ask for. I'm going for the chicken adobo, tender chicken, including rice. So I'm definitely on that. So this is it here. Our best rice bowls. Has everything in here. So many nice food here, guys.
Okay, now
Oh, okay, fine.
Thank you. Oh, wow, mango juice. Yum, yum. Is this, guys? It's really, really nice. Like a little restaurant bar, but I actually love the style. Just look how they really go down the steps like that. That's super cool. And then these are like electric tricycles, which doesn't make a sound compared to the old ones. So yeah, it's really, really nice at night time. But yeah, I really love that. And the palm trees. Oh, look at all this, yeah. They have spaghetti. Yes, you've got fish here, that looks nice. Oh, Sinnigan. Sinnigan there, yeah. Right, yeah, they have really nice food. So we just finished food and yeah, we're just going to go back to the hotel now and just relax. So yeah, it's really nice at night time. A lot of the nice restaurants are open to the hotel. Right guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more Philippine vlogs. Bye guys.